Welcome to my channel. Today let's watch Lindt Chocolate Factory Showroom. During our recent visit to Europe, we had the privilege of visiting Lindt Factory in Kilchberg. It was out of the world and a memorable experience. Let's watch the Lindt Chocolate Factory showroom now. It's a part of Lindt's manufacturing and retail experience, providing visitors with a unique glimpse into the world of premium Swiss chocolate. Located in various places globally, the most famous Lindt factory and showroom is in Kilchberg, Switzerland, which includes the Lindt Home of Chocolate. The showroom has a store where you can buy a wide selection of Lindt products at discounted rates, including gift boxes, assorted chocolates, and even exclusive items. In some locations, Lindt offers chocolate making workshops where visitors can learn from Lindt's master chocolatiers and even craft their own chocolates. You're watching fresh and handmade chocolate. Freshly made chocolates. Chocolates of different flavors. We were lucky to visit this factory during Black Friday week in November, when there was 50% discount on all the varieties of chocolates. Most people who traveled with us bought plenty of chocolates to consume as well as for gifts to friends and relatives. Different kinds of chocolates. I hope you enjoyed watching mouth-watering chocolates. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.